Today we're looking at the surface area of a rectangular prism. So what we can see is we've got a couple of prisms here as examples, this one here. And if we think about this as a box, if we cut it up and we're able to open it out, we've got this area here and here being the same. We've got this area here and this area here being the same. And this one and this one are the same. So essentially what we're going to do to find the surface area is find the area of the combined total of those three shapes and times it by 2. So following that logic, here's our formula here that we're going to use. Now we're just going to apply the same formula to a square prism as well, so that we're just using the one formula every time we go and do this. So let's have a go. So we've got our formula. We know that our length in this case is going to equal 5 centimeters. Our height is going to equal 5 centimeters, and our width is going to equal 5 centimeters. So popping that into the formula, surface area equals 2. So length times height, so 5 times 5, plus length times width, 5 times 5, plus width times height, 5 times 5. So we'll just follow this all the way through. 5 5s are 25, plus 25, plus 25. So we add all those 25s together, we end up with 75. 2 times by 75 is 150. And if we go back to our up here, we're looking at centimeters, and because we're talking area squared. So there's our first example. Let's have a look at our second one. So we've got the one highlighted there in the red. So first of all, we're going to write our formula. So surface area equals 2 length by height plus length by width plus width by height. Our length is equal to 10 centimeters. Our width is equal to 8 centimeters. And our height is equal to 5 centimeters. Now we can just substitute those values into the formula. 2 length times width, so length times height, 10 times 5 plus length and width. So my length is 10 times by my width, which is 8, plus width by height. So we've got 8 times by 5. Just go through and work all those out. So 50 plus 80 plus 40. We add all those together, we've got 170. So we end up with 340 centimeters squared.